Skip here. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if it sounds a bit weird. I just lost a tooth. So I will sound a bit weird for this video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make your own building for a game. It can be for an RP game, it can be for anything, but I'm going to be doing mine for a army game. So, get a part by coming up to here, clicking on part, and clicking on scale, so this comes up so you can move it up and down. So, you will be able to drag it along as much as you want. You can make it go this way, you can make it go this way, and all of that. I'm going to extend mine to here. That's how long my wall is going to be, about this long. Now, if you want to make sure that your person can get through the door, what you'll want to do is go to plugins and get load avatar, and then click the one that you want. So for me, I'm just going to do Little Man 6HJ, which is, oh, that's not me. Let's just spell it wrong. Little Man 6HJ, which is me right here, and I'm going to spawn in R15. Oh, let me grab you. Okay. This is how tall a Roblox character is. So then you can get another part. Moving it onto here, scaling this down, and then putting this up. Ctrl D to duplicate it. T to move it around, and then R. So put it up here, press R. And as you can see, this doesn't really need to be that tall. So we're now just going to use the move tool to get it down. As you can see, my hat can just about fit through. So my character can now get in and out, but we also don't need a door frame this long. So then you're going to duplicate this, use the move tool, so you get it perfectly, and get it here. Then use the duplicate tool on this, drag it across so you've got it perfectly here, and then there's nothing else that you really need to duplicate. So, well, there is. Use the scale tool to lift this up with as much height as you want, but because mine is this much, I am going to lift my height up to this door frame. I'm just going to shorten mine because I'm making mine for an army, as I said. Yours could be a house, who knows. So then you're just going to Ctrl D, move it, and then press R to rotate and put it into position. And then you can extend it how much you want, but I'm not going to do that. And then you can basically duplicate this, put it there, and then make it as long as your other wall, and then duplicate that, use the move tool, and put it over here, just to make it a bit more quicker. Just need to move this by one. Okay. As you can see, we have now got this part of the building done, but we still need the roof. So I'm just going to get a part again. Oh, something went wrong here. Just accept that. So I'm going to get a part and move it over here. Or you can move it on top, but it'll make it look kind of scruffy. So I'm going to do mine here. And then extend it across, and then extend it this way. You have now got this part done. So now, before you do the outside of the walls, you will need to do the thingy. What you want to be in here. So I'm going to put noob in chair. I'm going to do this one. And then I'm going to do desk. Yeah, something like this that can easily fit into your building. And then I'm going to put a laptop. Which is right here. Over on this part. And then use the rotate tool. So I'm going to put it over here. Use the rotate tool to put it like that. And now it's a bit off, so I'm just going to use the move tool so it doesn't thingy or anything. That's our laptop done. So now I'm going to start up paperwork. And I'm also going to add this, if it'll stand up the right way. And if it'll face the right way. And I'm just going to use the scale tool as well to lower it down into the correct height. Oh my god. And add pens. But you can decorate this however you like. And then you can move on to the outside, so you can click, but you will actually want to do this. You'll actually want to get another part, put it here, and use the scale tool to make it like that, because otherwise the wallpaper will go on the inside and you don't want the wallpaper to go on the inside. So I'm just going to do this. Make it shorter if you have to. You probably will, as you can see. Duplicate that. Put it over here. As you can see, I need to make it a bit more longer. Duplicate that. Put it over here. As you can see, I will need to do that. So now you can add the wallpaper. So on here, I'm going to make the colour a greenish, but like a dark green, because mine is army style. So I'm later then going to go to, let's see. You can go to material if you want. So you can make this or whatever you want. I'm going to do mine brick because then again it is army. So then you can just do this. The same green as that. But if you can't manage to get the same green, then just remove that wall. I accidentally moved this when doing that. And then you can just duplicate this and put it over here if you can't find to get the right green. And then I'm just going to remove that. Oh my. Put that back where it should be. And then I'm going to duplicate this, put it over here, but I will need to shorten it to where the door frame is. And then just duplicate that, put it there. Okay. And then you can make this part whatever colour you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you didn't, give a thumbs down. And I'll see you all next time, guys. Bye!